Yo, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're gonna be talking all about the brand new Luxe Auto Concepts Dark Smoke Brushed FX Series Lightwrap. So if you don't know what Lightwrap is, or you have not seen the brand new Luxe Auto Concepts FX Series Lightwrap, stay tuned guys, because we're gonna be talking all about that in today's video. Yo, what's up everybody? Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome video for you guys. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, we do car videos, vlogs, installations, unboxings, you name it. So if you are new here, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button. That way you do not miss any of the future videos we have in store lined up for you guys. But let's get off into today's video, guys. We recently got our hands on the brand new Luxe Auto Concepts Brushed FX Series Lightwrap, and I mean, you know what we did guys. As always, as soon as we get a brand new Luxe Auto Concepts product, we slap it on the charger. This time we put it on the tail lights, and I did actually do an embossed look in the center section of the tail light. I added a hashtag Hemifam decal that my cousin made for me, and it looks awesome guys. This brushed metal, I don't know if you guys how well you're gonna be able to make this out, but this new FX series brushed metal is just absolutely amazing. It is actually texturized, so it is not Luxe, it is actually brushed. So if you touch it with your finger, you will feel the lines, and they do run horizontal. So keep that in mind when you apply the product. If you are just an end user, you can go to the Luxe.com, Luxe Auto Concepts website, and order your own. It's what you're gonna need for your tail lights is about a 2-yard roll. This is what the roll is gonna come in. If you are an end user, if you are a pro installer like we are, you can order it by the big roll, and now you have a full roll to do customers' cars, your cars, windows. I mean, anything you want, you now have a full roll to do so. If not, go to the Luxe.com website. I will put all the information in the video description, and order your own tail light wrap. It'll come in a tube like this. You're gonna need 2 yards. When you get it, it is gonna come in a nice long sheet, which we will go over later. Be sure to cut that in the middle, and it'll give you enough to do the middle section and lights. If you cut the film wrong, you are not gonna have enough to complete the install, and it is just gonna be a day for you and your car. So again, the Luxe Auto Concepts Dark Smoke FX Brushed Metal. We threw it on the charger in the tail light section, and my car's black. It's got a black brush. Oh my gosh, it looks absolutely amazing. Now this is just one of the many shades of the FX series. We have the brushed dark smoke, we have carbon fiber, honeycomb, and of course your OG colors, dark smoke, mid smoke, light smoke, stealth, etc. So no matter what color your car is, if you have a flamboyant wrap, a bright wrap, a matte wrap, Luxe Auto Concepts has something that is going to complete the look of your wrap and your car, guys. So, like I said, this is just a swatch of it on a plexiglass palette. We'll show you what it looks like on the roll and what it looks like exactly on the car here, guys, because it looks absolutely beautiful on the car. So say you went to the Luxe Auto Concepts website by clicking the link in our video description, and you ordered your roll. after using the promo code Hemifam, which will save you 15% off your DIY wrap kits and pre-cuts. So it's gonna come like this, and like I said guys, it is gonna be a nice big roll. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to make out the brushed pattern the way the lighting and the camera angle is here, but not to worry, we will take that outside and show you the awesome pattern and how to cut the film when you get it and what it looks like installed on the vehicle, ready to rock and roll, guys. So let's do it. We'll pull the car out, show you what the wrap looks like in the sunlight, in the shade, lights on, lights off, all the different functions. Mind you, it is dark smoke. It still has all the Luxe qualities of easy install and the light output, so you're not gonna have anything to worry as long as this is on your tail lights, side markers, etc. If you are doing anything on the headlights, I highly recommend you do not go anything above the mid smoke, and because it'll really inhibit your light output, and if you do a lot of night driving, that's, you know, can be a little iffy. So headlights, anything below the mid smoke and you're good to go, guys. So let's check it out, guys. We'll see what it looks like fully installed on the car. Mind you, the car is black, and that way you guys can see what the Luxe brushed FX series looks like in person, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, here's what the new brushed FX series is looking like on my tail lights here, and everything is just laid like glass. I mean, it is tucked in there nice and neat as it should. You have the awesome brushed metal pattern to it. I mean, it just looks absolutely ridiculous on this car, guys. Plus, like I said, compare that with the stripes, and here you can see my embossing of the Hemifam logo. Just absolutely killer stuff. I really love the contrast of the Luxe vinyl versus the striped vinyl. Beautiful. I got the button all cut out here. I did leave some brushed on top of the button, but I mean, the car looks absolutely gorgeous with this Luxe FX brushed metal light wrap, and I really just couldn't be happier with the FX series light wrap. Okay, so here we have the tail lights on, and like I said, guys, there is still way more than enough light output, even though we are looking through dark smoke and brushed. Just, you're not gonna have any issues with light output due to throwing the brushed dark smoke on there. It just looks absolutely amazing with the lights on or off, daylight and nighttime. Really awesome stuff here, guys. You surely cannot go wrong whenever you order any of the Luxe Auto Concepts products. They make the installation easy as can be, and the product is just amazing. Really lasts a super long time, and you can guarantee to get lots and lots of compliments just everywhere you go. So let me turn on the hazards and you guys can get an idea of what it's gonna look like with the brake lights on. Here we go. Now we have the hazards on, which is basically the same function as the tail light when you were to press the brake. And like I said, still no issues as far as light output or visibility. You can still clearly see the racetrack tail lamp and the brake light, which is in the form of the hazard right now. So you are not going to have any issues with visual light output or seeing the brakes, you are just going to look absolutely amazing at the car show and going down the road, guys. So be sure to check the video description for all of Luxe Auto Concepts information and a link to get their products, guys. Alrighty guys, what did you think of this brand new FX Series Lightwrap from Luxe Auto Concepts in the brushed? What did you guys think of it on the vehicle, how it looks? Be sure to drop a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think of the new brushed pattern. Is it something you are gonna order for yourself? Are you gonna put it on your car? Or maybe you wanna go with the honeycomb if you have a scat pack or you like carbon fiber. Let us know in the comments what your favorite Lightwrap FX shade is. And be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Like it, share it with a buddy, and let them know about the new FX Series Lightwrap. They may not know about it. So be a true friend and share this video with a buddy. And be sure you subscribe to the channel, smash the subscribe button, turn the bell on for post notifications. That way you never miss a video as they go live. You can stay up to date with all things Hemifam. And as always, guys, all the Luxe Auto Concepts information will be in the video description. So check that out before you go. We have lots of awesome links in there for you. Promo codes to save some money. Blender's eyewear, my favorite eyewear. I wear that everywhere I go when I'm outside of the house. Awesome styles of shades, affordable, and they look amazing, guys. So a huge thank you and shout out to each and every one of you that watches this video. Be sure to subscribe. We are almost to 10,000 subscribers. So again, a huge thank you to each and every one of you that likes, helps, and supports this channel. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.